Hi guys, and I'm gonna be posting. I'm gonna usually post at 9 o'clock or not above 9 o'clock, like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 7 o'clock right now each day, and then I just post videos after school if I have enough time because homework gets in my way and my chores. But there is going to be a snowstorm. Let me see. It's cold outside. It's dark outside too. I would open the window, but I'm not allowed to. Plus, the window's broken. I'm at my grandma's house right now, posting a video. She lets me stay up until like 9 o'clock. Not really, but I'm up. There's going to be a snowstorm, so I might not be posting. And I'm gonna be posting on the holiday on Monday. So I'm not gonna post on Sunday because I'm going on a family trip, not a trip, but I'm gonna hang out with my family instead of making a video. On Saturday maybe I'll show you the snow that has reached, and tomorrow I'm also going to be doing a fun video just with you guys. And I'm gonna try not to get any interruptions. It is 21 degrees and 6 wait, let me see that again. Let me go to weather thingy. So let me see that again. It is 21 degrees outside with snow on Saturday at 6 a.m. It is humidity is 34. No rain. Wind 6 miles per hour. That is bad. Friday, 18 January, Florence, 35 degrees to 17. Saturday, 19, 23 to, oh my god, to 15. Oh my god, you need to see this. Maybe it is Sunday. Look at Sunday, 20 January, ice, 0 degrees. That's crazy, 0 degrees. Maybe I need to post a video on Sunday then. Oh my god. And then Monday, January, 0 and 6 degrees. This is crazy. This is like crazy. Like, you guys, I never had that much lovely weather. Okay, let's see. And that's it. I am so surprised. Like, maybe on Sunday I'll show you the ice that happened, but that like the ice that came in. But we're gonna be snowed in. Sorry about my phone. It's dying. We're gonna be snowed in on Friday, by the way. Bye. Because my phone's dying.